Ngucanio gatagati ka magavana na ma-MCA iguru ria mbeca iria ikinyagira kaunti ya gukinya muthia riendekithia ria seneta wa Murang'a Irungu Kang'ata ria Tungotheri. Kang'ata ararehe watho uria uretwo watho wa kigina kia uigananu kia wodi uria urendekithia ati hari kigina kiria giothe kaunti ya mukagira gicunje kia 8 hari 100 gikagairwo o wodi iria cie kaunti-ini iyo.
Vast majority of the counties, of the wards, has its key devolution, has its key devolution. So therefore, hii idea ni kwamba unasema ya kwamba yes, mumepata pesa, lakini a certain percentage of that money must go directly to the wards and it must fund certain projects huko mashinani.
Ukihuthira ithabu ria kigina kiria kiarekereirio kuri thirikari cia matura mwaka-ini wa 2016 na 2017, kaunti ya Kiambu iria ĩ wodi 60 na yamukirire bilioni 9, o wodi ĩngĩamũkĩra milioni 12, o wodi ya Murang'a ĩngĩamũkĩrire milioni 14, kaunti ya Kirinyaga ĩkĩamũkĩra milioni 13. Nyandarua o wodi ĩngĩamũkĩra ciringi milioni 13, Laikipia ciringi milioni 21, Nyeri milioni 13, Meru milioni 16, Embu milioni 20, nayo kaunti ya Nakuru o wodi ĩngĩamũkĩra ciringi milioni 15.
Kama mwenyekiti wa kamati ya ugatuzi nimechukua huu mswada ambao unasema pesa ipelekwe katika wodi, na ni mswada mzuri. Kuanzia mwanzo ukiangalia ni mswada mzuri, na mbalo limesalia saa kwa wakati huu ni sisi kuchapisha siku, ni Wakenya nao waweze kutoa maoni yao, waweze kusema wanaona vipi kuhusu mswada huu.
This does not displace other county developmental plans. So therefore, if you have a county that already has this kind of an arrangement, this law will not displace that arrangement. I am aware of some counties where they have even sent more money to the wards.
Kuringana na watho uyu, mbeca ici no cihuthirwo kurugamirira mibango o yothe iria thirikari cia matura cietikiritio ni watho gutwarithia na mbere. Uguo ni kuga ati mugaru na kigina kia NGCDF gia gicigo kia ubunge kiria kirugamagirira mibango ya ugitiri na waki wa mathukuru tu, kigina kia wodi no giake barabara cia wodi, thibitari, nathari na irihire arutwo githomo.
I think there is this notion that we are giving money to the MCAs. No, the role of the MCAs is only one, to approve the names of the committees. The committees are the grassroots. They will be approved by the assembly. Number 2, the proposed developmental projects. They are also going to be approved by the members of the county assembly.
Mbeca ici irirugamagĩrĩrwo nĩ kamĩtĩ ya andũ ana, mũndũrũme ũmwe, mũtumia, mũndũ mwĩthĩ na mũndũ wa kũrũgamĩrĩra arĩa mena mawathe, na kamĩtĩ ĩno yahĩtũkia mĩbango ya ũthii wa na mbere ĩrĩtagia kĩgĩna kuma kũrĩ bodi ya kaunti ya kũrũgamĩrĩra kĩgĩna kĩu. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.